Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use an image for background in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your website more visually appealing and add personality to your pages. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Now that you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to use an image for the background. This will open up that specific site and give you access to all its editing tools and features. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button is your gateway to making changes and customizations to your website's design and layout. Once the editing interface opens up, click Edit again. Now position your cursor over the section where you want to use an image for the background. This could be any section of your page, whether it's a header, a content block, or a footer area. Click on Edit Sections to access the customization options for that particular section. In the menu that appears, click on Background. This is where you'll be able to modify what appears behind the content in that section. You'll see several options here. You can click Add Image, which gives you multiple ways to choose your background. You can upload a file directly from your computer, select from your existing library of images, browse through stock images that Squarespace provides, or browse from a collection of pre-made backgrounds. For this tutorial, we'll upload a file from your computer. So go ahead and click Upload File. A window will pop up allowing you to browse your files. Select the image you want to use for your background, and then wait until the upload is complete. Once it's done uploading, Squarespace will automatically apply it as the background for that section. Give it a moment to process and display properly. Now here's where you can really fine-tune the appearance. You can edit the image effect to add filters or adjustments, modify the background width to control how the image stretches or fits, and adjust the overlay opacity to make the image lighter or darker behind your text. These settings help ensure your content remains readable while still showcasing your beautiful background image. You can also resize the entire section by dragging the resize icon at the edge of the section. This allows you to make the background area larger or smaller depending on your design needs. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an image background in Squarespace. Your website now has a more dynamic and personalized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.